Today, we're diving into a topic that might not be the most exciting, but it's definitely important for any car owner to know about: the symptoms of a bad ECM, or the engine control module. Now, your ECM is like the brain of your car. It controls everything from fuel injection to ignition timing, and even your transmission. So, when it starts acting up, you'll definitely notice. An ECM, or engine control module, is a complex electronic device that receives input from various sensors throughout your vehicle. These sensors monitor things like engine temperature, airflow, and engine speed. The ECM processes this information and sends signals to actuators like fuel injectors and ignition coils to control the engine's operation. Then let's talk about some of the common symptoms that could signal a bad ECM. Check engine light is on and won't go away. This is the most obvious sign. If your CL is on and you've checked for simple issues like a loose gas cap, it might be time to suspect the ECM. Engine stalling or misfiring. An ECM that's not functioning properly can cause your engine to stall randomly or misfire, leading to rough idling and decreased power. Poor fuel economy. If you suddenly notice your fuel economy taking a nosedive, it could be a sign that the ECM isn't regulating fuel injection correctly. Difficulty starting. A bad ECM can make it hard for your car to start, especially in cold weather. Erratic engine behavior. You might experience sudden acceleration or deceleration, or the engine might feel like it's hunting for the right RPM. Transmission issues. In some cases, a faulty ECM can interfere with the transmission's operation, leading to delayed shifts or harsh gear changes. Don't ignore the symptoms. If you notice any of these signs, don't delay getting it checked out by a mechanic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. And remember, a well-functioning ECM is crucial for a smooth-running car.